Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome aboard, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Stay tuned because I am reviewing this storm-like unit. So this unit was sent to me by SHOPHAIRWIGS and I am loving this color. I would have never picked this out and I'm so glad that they sent me this color. I had picked a different wig in a different color and they sent it to me, and they also surprised me and sent this one. But this is so pretty, so thank you so much SHOPHAIRWIGS. I am loving this. I definitely would not have tried this color because I get so scared with color. I'm a simple girl when it comes to wigs. But yes, I think I did a pretty good job slaying it too. So this is Bobbi Boss lace front premium synthetic wig in the style Tory in the color TT4/G1006. And I'm feeling like Storm from X-Men, you guys. They need to cast me for this role. They need to cast a brown skinned Storm, because look at this. So the only thing I did to slay this wig was to cut the lace, and I used a little bit of my edge control for right here, and it comes with baby hairs. And then I just sprayed a little bit of this on my finger to just so it can stay, and that was it. And I used a little bit of my concealer in my brush just to outline the part a little bit. But other than that, that was it. It's just super easy. So it is not big head friendly, unfortunately. This cap size is really tight. If you stretch it a little bit, maybe it could be a small medium, but I would honestly say it's not big head friendly. And I'm going to give you guys a 360. And there is some minimal shedding, just so you guys know. It's like one strand, but I was playing around with it earlier and it was a little bit of shedding. Maybe because it's fresh out the box, it's brand new. But there is minor shedding, no tangles. And I love me a good bob. This unit is so pretty. So this was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys enjoy. Do not forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get reminders every time I'm posting a video. Stay tuned and I will see you next time.